Good morning, students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. In this episode, we have discussed about the festivals of Manipur and Mizoram. So let's today discuss about the festivals of Meghalaya and Tripura in the 9th and 10th paragraph of the topic the festivals of Northeast India. First, let's move to the 9th paragraph of the topic. Wangala or 100 Drum Festival is the most important festival celebrated by the Garos in the villages of Meghalaya. The festival is named so because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. This harvest festival is celebrated in November to mark the end of hard work, which naturally brings a good harvest. The celebration features beating of drums, blowing horns, and traditional dancing. The dance during the festival has two parallel lines, one of men and other of women, clad in their festive costumes. While the men beat the drums, the lines move forward together in rhythmic manner. There is only one new word, that is rhythmic, which means having a regular pattern of sound and movement. For example, Sambalpuri dance is totally rhythmic. Let's make some sentences using the noun and verb form of some words. First, work. In noun, work is worship. And in verb, my father is working in a bank. Now dance. In noun, Odissi is a beautiful dance. And in verb, when he saw the mother, his eyes danced with pleasure. Now beat. In noun, your heartbeat is alright. And in verb, don't beat the drum hard. Now the substance. Wangala is an important festival of Meghalaya. It is also known as the 100 Drum Festival. 100 drums are beaten together during this festival. It is a harvest festival of Meghalaya which is celebrated in the month of November. It marks the end of the hard work that brings a good harvest. Beating drums, blowing horns, and traditional dance are the features of the celebration. The people dance in two parallel lines, one line of men and other of women. All are in their festive costumes. The men beat the drums and the women move forward according to the rhythm. Now come to the 10th and 11th paragraph. Karachi Puja of Tripura is a week-long festival marked by animal sacrifice and worshipping 14 gods as instructed by Lord Shiva. The festival takes place in the month of July in the old Agartala or Puran Haveli, where there is a temple that houses 14 deities. Thousands of people throng Tripura during the festival and enjoy cultural programs and fairs. The main features of the festival in Tripura is that all the people join in the celebration. Many of the dances performed during some of the festivals representing hunting, food gathering and various other activities. Here, sacrifice means offering of anything to God. The sacrifice of animals in the name of goddess is not a good tradition. Now deities, which means gods or goddesses. The deities of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are in the temple. Now throng, which means to crowd into a place. Millions of people throng Puri during Car festival. Now takes place, which means to happen. Her wedding ceremony takes place in a temple. Now let's make sentences using the noun and verb form of some words. First, worship. In noun, temple is a place of worship. In verb, people are not being allowed to worship in the temple nowadays. Now, house. We live in a big house. And in verb, our car is housed in the garage. Now let's come to the substance. Karachi Puja is an important festival in Tripura. It is celebrated for a week. Animals are sacrificed in this festival. The people of Tripura believe that Lord Shiva has instructed to worship 14 gods in this festival. The festival is celebrated in the month of July. It takes place in Old Agartala or Puran Haveli. There is a temple of 14 deities in Puran Haveli. Thousands of people go to Tripura during the festival to enjoy the cultural programs and fairs. All the people of Tripura take part in the festival. Different types of dances are performed in the festival. Hunting dance, food gathering and other activities attracts people in the festival. Now let's discuss the short answer type questions and their answers. Where is Wangala celebrated? In Meghalaya. Who celebrate Wangala in Meghalaya? The people of Garo tribe. What is the other name of Wangala festival? 100 Drum Festival. Why is Wangala named 100 Drum Festival? As 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. When is Wangala celebrated? In the month of November. What does Wangala mark? The end of hard work that brings a good harvest. What does Wangala festival feature? Beating of drums, blowing horns and traditional dancing. What do the men and women clad during Wangala? Their festive costumes. Where do people celebrate Karachi Puja? In Tripura. How long is Karachi Puja celebrated? For a week. In which festival of Tripura animals are sacrificed? In Karachi Puja. How many gods were worshipped in Karachi Puja? Answer 14. Why do people throng Tripura during Karachi Puja? Answer, to enjoy cultural programs and fairs. What do the dances during Karachi Puja represent? Answer, hunting, food gathering and other activities. Now let's discuss the long answer type questions and their answers. First, which festival is celebrated by the Garos in Meghalaya? What do people do during the celebration? Wangala or 100 Drum festivals is celebrated by the Garos in Meghalaya. During this harvest festival, 100 drums are beaten together. The celebration marks the end of hard work. People perform traditional dances, beating drums and blowing horns in this festival. The dance is performed in two parallel lines, one of men and the other of women, wearing festive costumes. While the men beat the drums, the line moves forward together in a rhythmic manner. Now the second question. How is Karachi Puja observed in Tripura? Answer. Karachi Puja is a week-long festival of Tripura. It is marked by animal sacrifice and worshipping 14 gods as instructed by Lord Shiva. The festival is held in July. It takes place in Old Agartala or Puran Haveli, where there is a temple of 14 deities. A large number of people come to Tripura during the celebration to enjoy the cultural programs and fairs. Performance of hunting dance, food gathering, and other activities are the attraction of the festival. In this way, we completed today the festivals of Meghalaya and Tripura. Next time, we will discuss the festivals of Nagaland and Sikkim. See you soon. God bless you.